Hi guys, this is Simon. Welcome to Learning to LARP. Today I'm going to talk about how forgetting my toothbrush taught me to take initiative. You see, when I attended my first post-apocalyptic live-action roleplay event a few years ago, I was playing this kind of mercenary, bounty hunter, Boba Fett style character who had just gotten into town and who was registered with this faction called the Mercenaries Guild, who acted like an agency for mercenaries and guns for hire. And I arrived at the first evening, I got to know the people in this guild and played a bit with them, and as it was evening I went to bed late at night, and in the morning I got out of bed and I realized I had forgot my toothbrush. And I knew that the toothbrush was in my car, which was on the parking lot outside of the playing area, and I thought, no, I'll just let my toothbrush stay inside the car. I will try to find a toothbrush in the game. And that was my quest for the whole day. I left town, and you have to imagine this event was about 400 or 500 people organized in different camps all over the area, and the town being just one of them, the safest to be precise. So I took my kit and left the town to find a toothbrush, and the whole day was filled with adventure. I encountered so many people, I had interactions with a lot of different characters, I got to know every camp on the playing area, I became friends with a lot of people, I forged alliances, I got robbed by raiders, I had my vengeance on the raiders all in one day. I had a lot of opportunities to interact with people just because I forgot my toothbrush. And I was on my quest to find a replacement for it. And when I finally got the toothbrush, I realized that I didn't have any toothpaste, so that was the quest for the next day. And when I got back in the evening and I got back to town, I visited the Mercenaries Guild and the people there, and I asked them, hey, my day was incredible. What did you do? What did you encounter? What interactions did you have? Did you make any money? Did someone hire you? Did you do a cool job? Did you hunt any bounties? And they all said, no, we kind of sat here the whole day waiting for someone to hire us. Nobody came. We didn't make a lot of money. We did a bit of this, did a bit of that. We drank, we smoked, we waited. And that was the moment that I realized that forgetting my toothbrush and going out there to find a replacement was the best thing that happened to me. Yes, there are events where the writing and the NPCs will keep you busy all day. But let's face it, that's not the majority of live action roleplay events. In the majority of events, if you want to have an adventure, if you want to have action, you have to stop sitting on your hands and go out there and do something. Even if it's just something trivial as finding a toothbrush. You just have to find something that fits for your character or that fits for the scenario you're playing in and go with it. The only thing important about your quest or your motive to be active, to take initiative and go out there and do stuff should be that it forces you to interact with other players. Also, you should be open to be sidetracked when being on that mission. So you can enjoy opportunities to interact with other players when they arise. So remember, sitting on your hands and waiting for stuff to happen never leads to an adventure. You're not Bilbo Baggins. There won't be 12 dwarfs knocking on your door and saying, "Hey, we're the adventure, come with us." It won't happen. So just go out there, do stuff, have fun. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.